there will be no protection for women and the young girls of Goa. Thank you.
Madam, what action will you be taking if further they don't resign? Are you planning any other thing to happen?
We will come on the roads now. We have already started coming. Now this is a peaceful dharna. I want to ask that day. See, there is a mismanagement. Home Minister and his minister, they don't know to manage their police personnel in a proper way. Why there were only a small crowd which went to Sakri? Why there were thousands of ladies on the road of Sakri from BJP side? That time thousands of ladies could come on the road and not today, when so many incidents are taking place. Yes. Where are they? And if they have only in Sakri they try to show their majority, why they cannot show why they cannot come on the roads and question the government? They should have that guts to question the government also.
And what do you say about the Women Commission who has not acted on this?
Women Commission actually has supposed to take the cognizance of all these cases. But each and every one, some days back, we had taken one case to DGP. At that time when we asked him, I'm not naming the person because it is a sub judice case. He said, we have given it to the Women's Commission. You are trying to pass the ball from one table to another, which is also BJP ladies who are sitting there in the Women Commission. So it is very clear that officers they want to shove their responsibility, put it on Women Commission. But Women Commission has not taken any action against that person as yet. So what is Women Commission also doing? They should also come in a big way to protest against whatever that is happening in Goa. Ladies are not safe. Girls are not safe. We say Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao. But are the ladies safe? That's what I want to ask. Thank you. Them have gathered here with one intention, and that is Beti Bachao, Beti Goa Bachao. Now why? Why today this day has come? That's what I want to ask the BJP government. What is the Home Minister doing? Why we all ladies, there are so many ladies from each and nook and corner of Goa, they have come, right from Pedne till Kankon, right from Valpai and till Kepe and all these places. Why they have to come here all the way? Just to show the solidarity towards those parents, towards those girls who were raped, who were abducted, who were murdered. Today what we see is a very, very pathetic picture in Goa. As you all know, within a short period, not even 1 month, 5 cases has taken place of rape, molestation, kidnapping and murder. One from Usgaon, Ponda, within a week's time. Second was in Benauli, 2 girls were raped. Third was in Kepe. Fourth was in Valpai Sattari, Pare. And fifth is about the girl who was abducted. We don't know what happened with that girl, but it's very, very sad. Police are still investigating. Police are trying to nab the culprits. But God forbids why this day has come today. For all the people, for all the ladies to come and in one voice say, save Goa. Goa is a tourist place. And still today we have to say, save Goa. It's very sad day today. I would like to give you certain statistics. Now, if you go to see from the 1 year, that is not even 1 year, 7 months, there were 14 rapes that had taken place in Goa. There were 12 abductions, and there were 15 kidnapping of minor girls and 12 molestations. What is this showing? It's a very bleak picture that we see today of Goa. Next, I would like to see, if you take on an average, from the time BJP government has come into power, whether at the central or whether at various states, the thing that we have seen, per day 88 rapes are taking place in India. Just imagine. There were 3.59 lakhs not protected the girls of Goa. So they must resign from their post and take the moral responsibility of these many cases that have taken place in Goa. Now you'll ask me what are the reasons. If you ask me, I'll tell you what are the reasons. Perhaps lack of conviction. Very few people, only 30% people are convicted out of 100. So because it is a slow process of courts, because less conviction, perhaps there's more and more rapes are taking place. Second thing, fast track courts. We don't have enough fast track courts. Justice has not been given to women. Third thing, we don't have the forensic labs. This is a very sad thing. We don't have the forensic lab. If we had the forensic lab here and here, the girl who was drowned, that's what police say. We would have immediately, with the forensic lab, they would have come to know what was the real reason. Whether she was raped or whatever, we don't know. We are not going to speak about it. So it's a very sad, pathetic thing. And fourth is no investigators. No investigators in Goa. So it's a very, very, very pathetic, sad thing. Now, why? There are no deterrents from the government side. Government is not trying to put their foot down on these various cases that are taking place in Goa. And that's why more and more cases are taking place. Now, one request that I would like to make all my friends and Goan people, those who are running Facebook or Twitter or any other handle, that they should not put the pictures of the girls, those who were abducted, those who were murdered. Please don't put the pictures, because as it is, the families are in trauma, and we are bringing, by putting pictures, making it viral, we are making their families, their siblings, their friends are trying to put into more traumatic condition. I want to ask Mahila Morcha of BJP, where are they? What are they doing? Every now and then they are saying, see our Mahilas from all walks of life, from everywhere, from every nook and corner of Goa, they have come here, Congress Mahilas. What are they doing? Are they just there to showcase on the stage? Why they are not coming on the roads? If it would have happened during the tenure of Congress party, then what they would have done? They have been making noise.
निल्ल्या जाल्यार उठात. हांव एक तिगा भुरग्यां चुरयांचो बापूय. म्हाका बरो येता कालचो न्यूज आयकून. जे पुलीस साहेब काल पळय उलयल्या अट नासलेले. एक कुत्रो कहो मोरान गेला ते भायर तो उलयला हें ताका सोबना. तो ऑफिसरान अशें उलोवप आनी आमकां गोंयकारांक किंकोत करप. तुमचे हे ब्रह्मपुत्र म्हणटा ते खंयचे हे कोण? तुम्ही ब्रह्मपुत्राचें नांव हाडलां घांटयांचें आनी आमकां रस्त्यार उडयल्या. आमच्या बायलांक कित्याक सुरक्षा ना? आवाज तर आयज आमचे मामीचो आसलो, तुमी पळयतले आसले कशी उलयता पळय ती. हांव मागता सगळ्या बायलांक कडेन फुडें सरा मामीचो आवाज आनी गाजया गोंयांत आनी गोंय आमचें वयर दवरा. देव बरें करूं.
मधुराव रेखा आणि हांव केपी सानळगा.
बीजेपी को फेंक दो। गोवेकर, पणजे ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट. आमी गोंयान आसा, गोंयकार म्हणून आमचो एक शांतीप्रिय एक स्टेट आमची. हातून आमी बरी सगळी हांसो खेळोन मजा करून रावता आनी खुबसो ट्युरिस्ट लोक ह्या गोंयान येवपाक सोदता. कित्याक हांगाचें वातावरण इतलें सेफ आसा जशें की खंयच्याच इंडियेन सेफ ना ती स्टेट आमची गोंय आशिल्ली. पूण आयज हे फाटल्या 1.5 म्हयन्याक आमी पळयता मर्डर, किडनॅपिंग, रेप हे चालूच आसा. आनी हाचेर आळो घालपाक आमचो होम मिनिस्टर सामकोच फेल जाल्लेलो आसा. आनी ताका ताजे दुसरे कामान तो इतलो व्यस्त आसा की ताका गोंयांच्या सरकाराच्या बायलांच्या भुरग्यांचे ताका पडलेले ना वयल्यान तो जबाबदारी आवय बापान घेया म्हणटा. तूं बाबा CM रावन जबाबदारी घेवंक शकना जाल्यार तो CM पद सोड. आनी आवय बापूयच घेतली आनी आवय बापान कशे भुरग्यांची काळजी घेवपाची आसता पळय तेजी क्लासीस दी, मागीर आनीक बऱ्या भशेन घेतली. हे जे कितें चलना पळय गोंयान तें सारकेंच लिमिटाच्या भायर जाला आनी आमी सोंसू शकना. तूं आमकां बरी आमची काळजी घेवं शकता, आमच्या गोंयांक तूं सुरक्षीत दवरूं शकता जाल्यार तूं CM राव, नाजाल्यार त्या पदा वयल्यान राजिनामा दी आनी सोडून वच. थँक्यू.
लासेडा, केपें ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट,
आलिंडा.
आलेंडा. आयज म्हाका दिसता हे जे गोंयांत जाता पळय तें चड जाता. जे आमकां लेडीज जावं आमच्या भुरग्यांक एक कांयच सेक्युरिटी ना आनी भंय दिसता. भंय सारकी चड चलोन भोंवपा पासून एक दिसा पासून जाला आमकां जाल्यार तरी भंय सारकी. सो हें जावपा नाका. आमकां कितें तरी हे जास्टीक जाय. थँक्यू.
रेणुका देसाय, साखळी ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट. आज जी पळय गोंयची परिस्थिती भयानक जाल्ली आसा. इल्लुशें गोंय हें आमचें आनी ह्या गोंयाक एक वेळ सगळे बरे भशेन रावताले. खंयच्याय टायमार रातचे जात्रे चला खंय चला केन्नाच अशी इतली भयानक प्रकार आयकूं आयिल्ले ना आमची भुरग्यापणा सावन आत्मेरेन. पण आतां ह्या थोड्या दिसांनी जें चल्लां तें पळोवन भयानक दिसपा लागलां की आमची भुरग्यांची आतां फुडें आमची पिळगी आसा तांची भंय दिसपा लागल्या. जें कितें चल्लां तें भयानक आसा. कोण येतात, भुरगीं गेलीं, भुरग्यांक थंय सेक्युरिटी ना. पोलीस ज्या ज्या जाग्यार आसपाचें त्या त्या जाग्यार रावन तांणी सगळें काम करपाचें. ते फक्त बाबडे आपल्या कोण CM मिनिस्टर हांची फाटल्यानच आसतात. कित्याक तांची वत्ती तांचो एक दरारो आसचो पडटा, दहशत आसची पडटा आनी हे लोकांक ज्या जाग्यार तांची गरज आसा थंय ते नासतात आनी पावता ते सुद्दां मागीर पावतात. आतांची कालचीच गजाल, हे पयलीं हांची रेप जाल्यो, वाळपयची गजाल तुमकां चलयेची ती, आतां ही सगळें आयकून इतली भंय दिसपा लागलें की आमी खरी गोंयां आसा की सदांच UPची बद्दल बी आमी आयकताले अशें जाता तशें जाता म्हणून. तें आतां आमचें गोंय बी UP वाटेनच वचूं लागलां अशी दिसपा लागलां. तेन्ना लोकांकय सांगतात तुमी जागृत जायना जाल्यार स्पेशली बायलो शक्ती आसा, महिला शक्ती आनी तीच कितें करूं शकतात आनी यूथ आसा तांणी बी आपली जबाबदारी घेवपा जाय. हें कितें चल्लां तें प्रत्येकाचो हातभार आसूं जाय, लागपा जाय, मदत करपा जाय. हें फुडें अशें जावपा जायना म्हणून आनी ह्यो घटना जावपा जायना. तुमची भयणी, तुमची आवयो ह्यो सगळे कामां वतात, सर्विसे वतात. ज्या भुरगीं दर्यादेगेर रेप केलें तांची मेळ्ळी तांकां म्हणलें की पेरंट्सांची चूक. केन्नाच पेरंट्साची चूक म्हणप ना. पेरंट्स भुरग्यांक वायट करपाक शिकयनात. भुरगीं जेन्ना अकले येता हें करता, भायले येता पळय मिडिया तांचे कडेन मोबायल हांचे कडेन आसा ताजोय परिणाम आसता आनी भुरगीं फटयतात बी आवय बापाय. संस्काराची गजाली करतात लोक, संस्कार म्हणून सांगतात. त्या संस्काराची जी उतरां उलयताली त्या लोकांनी आपली घराणे फाटल्यान वळून पळोवचें. तांची घरां संस्कार मागीर घरांक कितें जाल्लें आसा 10, 15, 20 वर्सां फाटीं. हांव कोणा म्हणटा ते कोण आयकता तांकां खबर आसतलें. संस्कार हे दिले म्हणून जायनात. त्या भुरग्याची माहोल तसो आसपा जाय. त्या प्रमाणे सगळे ताका लागून आमचे संस्कार मागीर गोंय आसूं जाय. गोंयची जी पळय जबाबदारी आसा पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट जावं आमची तांकांय बी तांचीय जबाबदारी आसा. आमची जे पळय मिनिस्टर आसा, CM आसा, बाकीची जे सगळे मंत्रिमंडळ आसा तांची बी तितलीच जबाबदारी आसा आनी तांचे बरोबर नागरिकांची बी आसा. तेन्ना हांव सांगूं सोदतां आमच्या CMाक की तांणी आतां खंयचेच हें करनासतना कडक जावचें आनी आपली जबाबदारी कितें ही दाखोवन दिवन हे सगळे जे करपी लोक आसात तांकां धरून तांची हे करून आतां हे चलयेचें हें जाल्लें आसा ताची बेगींतल्यान बेगीन ताची चवकशी करचे, ताचे कपडे खंय गेले, ताजी कितें जालें, ताजो मोबायल कोणा कडेन उलयताले सगळें ट्रेस करचें, सगळें आवय बापायन मोबायल जो आसा तो घेवचो, आनी इन्क्वायरी करपाक आमकां सांगपाची गरज ना, तांची एक सिस्टम आसा. सो हे सगळे सांगतात की आमी गोंयकारांनी जागी जावपाचो वेळ आयला. जागीच जायात गोंयकारांनो, जागी जाय. थँक्यू.
Say that our beautiful Goa, which was once so peaceful, today is become the crime state of India. We have had so many rapes and crimes against women, and everything is just passing. I would like to ask the Home Minister, CM, the other day when the 2 girls were raped at Banauli, minor girls were raped at Banauli, he asked the parents to take care and keep the girls at home. I would only ask one question today. This happened during the day. Now what are we going to do with our girls during the day? This is my question to the government. If you do not take the right steps and give this girl justice, then I think the people will give justice to the girl. Thank you.
मात एक आमचे गरीब आनी आमचे गांवचे एक भुरगे ही कोणाची चेडूं जावंक शकता, कोणाची धूव जावंक शकता. आख्ख्या गोंयान आमकां एक शॉक भोगलेलो सगळ्या लोकांक. आनी अशें एक चेडूं कामाक वयतालें, ताका बिचीर हे सांपडलें हे चेडूं. हें पळोवपाक आमकां सगळ्यांक चड आनी चड दूख जालेली आहा. आनी हे पुलीस काल SP उलयला ते हिसपान वद्दू तेणें स्टेटमेंट दिला तसो दिवंक उपकारना. तेणें स्टेटमेंट सारकोच दिवंक जाय. कित्याक कोण अशें चेडूं एकलें वचून न्हांवूंक सोदी शकना एका बिचीर, तेच्या बराबर कोण आसलो, तेजो रोप खंय गेलें, कोण चेडूं जीव दिवपाक पासून वयता जाल्यार आपणाची पॅन्ट आनी शर्ट काडिना, कोण कितें तरी सारकी फूल स्टोरी सांगूंक जाय. बेश्टेच कितें वद्दू सांगल्यान सगळ्या लोकांक आमच्या आख्ख्या गोंयच्या लोकांक तरी दुवान घातलेली आहा. हें अशें घडोवप उपकारना. आनी ह्यो क्रायम आतां चड वाडलेले आहात दिसांनी. आनीक आतां तुमी जाणा पॅन्डेमिकाच्या टायमार आतां मास्कां घालता, आनीक तुमी जाणा सगळे हिंगासर मास्कां घालून भोंवता. आनी ही एडवांटेज हे लोक पळय असले वायट सिजनांनी भोंवतात तांकां एडवांटेज मेळटा. ताका लागून पुलिसींनी चड विजील रावंक जाय. आनी चड करून हे बिचीचेर फाटीं ह्याच जाग्यार हांव उलयलोलो की गोवमेंटाक आमकां सांगलेलें की ह्या बिचीचेर तुमी लायफ गार्ड दवरा म्हणून. आनी हे तो लायफ गार्ड आसले जाल्यार घडोवप उपकारना. ताका लागून मागता अशें जावंक उपकारना. आनी आमी
हे गोंयांत कितें चल्लेलें आसा तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसतलें की ह्या दिसांनी सेगीत कितली रेप जाल्ली आसात, मायनर आसूं ती मेजर आसूं. आमच्या CMन पयर सांगलें की आमी पेरंट्सांनी तेंची भुरग्यांची सुरक्षा करपाची आसा. कालची जी गजाल घडल्या तितून तेच्या बापायन एक बरो बापाय म्हणून तेणें ताका वचोन बस स्टॉपाचेर पावयल्लें. तेजे उपरांत कितें जालें म्हाका दिसता काल जें कितें जालां जें पेपराचेर येयलां म्हणटात की हे सगळें इज अ ड्रावनींग केस. म्हाका दिसता हे सगळें लिपयतात कित्याक ह्या दिसांनी इतली रेप केसीस जाले एंड द गव्हर्मेंट डजंट हॅव एनी रिप्लाय टू इट. दे कॅनॉट सेव अस. सो दॅट इज वाय दे आर कवरींग इट अप बाय सेईंग दॅट इट इज अ ड्रावनींग केस. म्हाका सांगात कोण ड्रावन करपाक वता जाल्यार शी वॉज सेमी न्यूड. डू यू थिंक एनीबडी वील गो टू डू सुसायड दॅट वे? Is there any mark of a fish being bitten by any place? Is this given in the report? We would like, as a woman of Goa, I would like to know this. I would really like to know. I would really like the CM to come out about it. He also has got a young daughter. He has to. It is not. He has to save all the daughters, all the ladies of Goa. I feel he has totally failed. Today, I condemn this. With a very, I feel I have got a young daughter. She goes to walk on the beach. She says, "Ma, it is very unsafe." Goa has become like Bihar now. Our children, our daughters are not safe. We all have to come on the road. I urge to all the women, all the ladies of Goa. It is about time that we all come on the roads to save our children, to save our girls. Because we cannot make this Goa another Bihar.
Goa was a very beautiful place, a nurtured place where tourists used to come, they used to feel safe. But today, where do you think that are we safe? Are our women safe here? So I totally condemn this, and I feel that the BJP government has totally failed. And I think so, the CM should resign on this, because it is a shame. It is a shameful thing. It is happening, and it is not stopping, and there is no justice being given. I feel justice should be given to all these girls who have been raped and to their parents. We should be given justice. Thank you.
नाव किती सांगा तुम्ही
माझे नाव डॉरिस टेक्शेरा, हांव मडगांवचें.